Imagine buying an SUV that looks like a Lamborghini from the future, has giant screens like a spaceship, luxury features like a German car, but costs almost half the price.
Sounds illegal, right? Well, meet the all-new 2026 Jetour Dashing. Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Torque Media, the home of horsepower, luxury, and torque-loaded reviews. Today we are looking at one of the most talked about Chinese SUVs in the market, the 2026 Jetour Dashing.
Now honestly, this SUV looks like somebody mixed a Lamborghini Urus, a Hyundai Tucson, and a sci-fi movie together, and somehow made it affordable.
The Jetour Dashing was first introduced globally in 2022, and the updated 2026 version is now appearing across markets including the Middle East and Asia with upgraded tech and refreshed styling. Expected pricing globally starts around 110,000 to 150,000 Saudi Riyal, depending on the variant and engine options, while other international markets may position it as a budget premium SUV.
And let's be honest, in today's market where even basic SUVs cost a fortune, Jetour walked in and said, "What if we gave them everything?"
Now let's talk about the design, because this is where the Dashing really flexes. At the front, you get ultra-slim LED DRLs, a massive futuristic grille, aggressive air intakes, and sharp body lines that make it look like it belongs in a cyberpunk movie.
Seriously, park this beside some traditional SUVs and they instantly look like retired uncles at a wedding.
The side profile gets flush-style sporty detailing, aerodynamic lines, large alloy wheels, and a coupe-inspired roofline.
And the rear? Full-width LED taillights, sporty bumper design, and a premium road presence that screams expensive.
Step inside, and boom, the cabin feels more expensive than it should.
You get a massive dual-screen setup with up to a 15.6-inch infotainment display, digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, voice commands, premium materials, and ambient lighting.
The dashboard design is ultra-clean and minimalistic, almost no physical buttons, which is great, until your passenger accidentally changes the AC while trying to open Google Maps. The seats are wide, sporty, and comfortable, while higher variants offer ventilated seats, memory functions, and premium leather finishes. And honestly, for this price range, the interior is ridiculously impressive. Under the hood, the 2026 Jetour Dashing offers turbocharged petrol engines. You can get a 1.5-liter turbo or a more powerful 1.6-liter turbo engine paired with dual-clutch automatic transmissions. Top engine produces close to 194 horsepower and around 290 Nm of torque. Now this is not a hardcore sports SUV, but for daily driving, highway cruising, and quick overtakes, it has enough punch.
And yes, it's quick enough to make your friends ask, "Bro, how much EMI are you paying for this?"
Depending on the market, the Dashing comes in multiple trims including Comfort, Luxury, Prime, and Signature variants. Base variants already come loaded with screens, LED lighting, and safety features. But the top variants? That's where the real luxury kicks in with panoramic roof, premium seats, advanced driver assistance, and upgraded infotainment.
Safety-wise, the Dashing packs features like multiple airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, parking sensors, rear cameras, lane assistance, and advanced driver aids depending on the variant.
Now officially, global crash test ratings like Euro NCAP or Global NCAP for the 2026 model are still limited or unavailable in many regions. So until official crash data arrives, buyers should focus on dealership support, service quality, and long-term reliability. Compared to the older Dashing, the 2026 version gets improved technology, cleaner interior design, upgraded infotainment, better refinement, and sharper styling.
The older model already looked futuristic, but the new one looks like it downloaded a software update from 2035.
Cabin quality also feels more premium now, and the digital experience is smoother than before.
Online owner discussions show many users praising the Jetour Dashing for its comfort, features, and value for money package.
However, some owners also mention concerns regarding service delays, acceleration lag, and long-term parts availability.
So if you're planning to buy one, definitely test drive it and check after-sales support in your area. So, is the 2026 Jetour Dashing worth it? If you want a futuristic SUV loaded with luxury features, aggressive styling, giant screens, and turbocharged performance without spending German luxury money, this thing makes a very strong case.
And honestly, this SUV proves one thing very clearly. Chinese car brands are no longer coming to compete. They're coming to dominate. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to, and turn on notifications for more insane car content every single day.